Okay. Now you're done. Can you explain to the people what you just did here?
Yeah, I'm walking, like I can say, back to the land. We're in a rain season now, so I'm making this a form of like a line. So this way I'm going to plant whatever I want to plant, or it could be like a watermelon, it could be tomato, it could be garbage, it could be everything. We have like vegetables, so many things, and fruits. You can plant in here too.
So what advice do you have for people like you, young people like you, who have land, and now that we're in the rainy season, what advice do you have for them?
Yeah, normally I can tell the people like believe yourself whatever what you are doing. You have to believe yourself first. To have a piece of land doesn't mean that you have something, but piece of land is important when you put something there. Either you go by orange farming, banana farming, or gardening. So that's the importance of a piece of land. You can have a piece of land and leave it like that.
So what is in the future? What is your plan here?
We all know gardening is very costly, so I'm trying my best. This year, I promise the people you're gonna see many kind of vegetables here, many kind of food. So I will turn this flat land by orange farm, banana farm, and a garden, vegetable garden.
Mm.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.